Guys, we're on Queens train station here in New York, and Mel's gonna buy a ticket because for some reason I can't see a top station on top of the platform. Where are you traveling to?
Oh, so you decide. What day is it? One way. To another station. Grand Central.
Grand Central. Okay.
One way. Other.
Okay, so that's in total of $16.50 for two-person one-way going to
In Metro.
Grand Central.
Just get the tickets.
So just get the tickets. Because the metro, you're gonna add an additional.
Yeah.
Follow instruction on terminal. So you're gonna tap it. So if you're gonna have a physical card, you need to pay like extra more.
So it's
gonna cost
where you load it up essentially.
Okay. So for this, we're only gonna have a printed ticket, right?
Yeah.
Oh, is this a different ticket? Or is it the same? It's just a vending machine. So just look for this one, and then this is how your card will look like.
So this is 16 for two.
16 for
One way.
One way.
And this is the disposable one as well. So you can get a Metro card where you can just load it up. And then when you
If you're staying longer, but if you're not, then. And we're heading on top. This is what their platform looks like here. This is what we're saying. There's no top-up area here. You just walked in.
And what I noticed, it's quite expensive, like 16 for two. So back and forth, it's almost $32.
Yeah.
But if you go to like Central, in the Times Square area, the parking is around 35 as well. So
Almost
essentially, the parking is almost the same as you take the train. And this is off-peak hours, so
Yeah.
it is quite expensive.
That's why you get
Relatively,
you get locals. That's why they're just carrying their car with them.
yeah.
But
you pay
because-
for petrol and
petrol as well, so yeah. Actually, it really depends on it. But because we do want to experience how to ride a train, subway here in New York, we decided to document our experience here.
And you also have you need to have like a certain comfort level. So you gotta have a certain comfort level with commuting because it is a public one, and because we've been around the world, so we're more accustomed to taking public transport. So if you're kind of expecting a fancy train, unlike because we did like the first class train in Germany, so this is not that kind of train. So it is
It's a normal
one, yeah.
Other country.
Yeah. Well, you can't compare. Every country has their own. Like in Singapore, the normal train is pretty nice. In Germany and Sydney, so here it's.
We'll see.
I would say it's below average compared to other countries. Like based on the station that we're in and the train that just passed by. But we'll see when we're actually inside how the vibes is or how safe it is. Like relatively speaking, of course. I heard this village, like Queens, it's a famous borough, they call it. So it's like the Bronx, what else was Manhattan, Brooklyn. So Queens is one of them. You can see, yeah. So it is a well-known village. I don't know if it's a village because it's called Queens Village, but they call it borough here. So you can see
The train is here. First time riding the train in New York. Oh, their train is actually
This
nice.
is the train to Grand Central. The next station is Hollis. Attention to the conductor, toggle off in the fourth car.
You guys tickets?
Check.
That's yours. Let's leave it up here, okay?
Thank you. Where is it? Also,
this is his mark that we already paid.
Oh,
So
so
nobody
a
checks you
guy will
again.
come
And
to
the
check your
passengers, next
ticket.
stop is Hollis.
So he
Only the
says
first
just
four
to
cars
leave the
will be
ticket on
open.
top so
Again,
no one can
next
check.
stop is Hollis.
So no one
Only
needs to
the
check
four
you.
first cars will be open. To
So
access it,
it's
you
not
have
really
to be in the
honesty
first
policy,
four
just
cars.
or you
Next stop
can
is
charge
Hollis.
you to pay while you're in it. Because I saw him, he had like
Oh, so you can buy a ticket on him as well if you
yeah,
forgot.
it looks like it. I'm not 100% sure. Because I saw him like he has a ticket dispenser.
So this is like.
So we did the correct thing. What were you saying?
This
This
reminds me
station
of
is
the bus in the Philippines
Hollis.
where there's a conductor that's gonna ask you to pay a ticket while you're traveling.
Yeah. So we're gonna stop all the way to Grand Central at the last stop. So it should be. I'm surprised how nice it is actually. I always see I always see it in the online where it's like yeah, it's pretty nice. It's like the one in Germany. So you can put the bag here as well. You can see. You wanna walk or?
Attention passengers, this is Hollis. Doors are now open. You
There's
must
a
be in the
chair
first
at
four
the front
cars
as
to
well, so I'm
exit.
thinking if we should move or something. Their train is actually pretty clean.
No, it's good here so we can speak a bit loud without disturbing anyone. But 'cause
Yeah.
maybe the train that you see on the internet where it's like underground, I think that one is different. So maybe when we go to the Statue of Liberty,
Maybe they have different trains.
yeah, it will be a different train. So for this one, from outside going to Grand Central, it's pretty nice.
From Queens Village, it's actually pretty decent. I can. So this is.
So there's a couple of options for it. Remember the MTA train? I think there's an app as well. But we bought the ticket in the station I see so a while ago. Yeah, so this is how it looks like.
So this is a ticket.
This is the train to.
And they make
Oh, and notice also the
announcements.
The next
tickets are
station
everywhere.
is
Here.
Hillside
yeah.
The
Sports
other,
Center.
so that's the sign you paid your ticket.
Yeah, they
your
put a-
slip it. So stamp it as a sign that you already paid for your ticket journey to your location.
It's not like in Germany where nobody checks. So you buy the ticket, nobody checks. But if they catch you, they'll probably fine you here.
Yeah, in Germany it's honesty policy.
Yeah, here you buy it and then people check on the train.
Yeah.
So we're almost in Grand Central. That's why it's a bit loud. But what happens is someone also passes by and then gets your ticket. So they already know that you already paid. So don't be. Cause I got paranoid because someone took it, but I saw everyone's ticket got taken out.
Yeah, so our ticket here is already gone, even on the other channel. So that means it's a sign that we're gonna go down the next
Because
station.
this is the last stop,
Last
so
stop.
there's no more checking.
Yeah.
So nobody's stealing your ticket. They just already got it.
Collected it. Yeah.
That's something to be
Pay attention.
aware of. Yeah.
I think we're underground already.
This station is Grand Central.
Wow. But look at that one. On top. So nice. Train is over here beside this globe. Heading to the Statue of Liberty. Just making sure we're gonna enter on the right one. So this top, as you can see, people can swipe their card and tap it.
Yeah. Go. This is what I was expecting on the first train
Yeah. And you have it here in the city.
downtown.
So we're on the wrong platform side.
So we had to go underground.
So if you notice, you will not see the change platform, and we tried to walk further far away.
So we started off on the other side.
We had started on the other side, and now we're here. So we just look for the last corner. Is it the last?
One, there was like stairs.
There's the stairs.
Hidden stairs.
So in order for you to change platform, there's a stairs going down
To change
to
the
change direction of the platform. That's what I noticed.
This is an accessible station.
It's pretty clean here in this train. There's not much, but there is a couple of. Sometimes there's some homeless people that rides the train, but generally it's pretty safe, I would say. Yeah, I just wanted to share like the general vibes, like how safe it is, but maybe it's off peak hours. This is the train. This is where Keanu Reeves was somewhere here.
Is he?
Yeah.
He's usually sitting in the corner.
Yeah. So yeah. So this is how you would ride the downtown train.
Yeah.
I'm going to the South Ferry.
We are in South Ferry now, heading up. I don't know if it's gonna
So
open.
there's no button to push, it just opens.
Yeah.
Unlike in other countries.